The array unshift method in JavaScript lets you add new items to the beginning of your arrays. This here is as opposed to push, which adds items to the end of the array, but there is an important thing to note about unshift, which I'll get to towards the end of this video. So right here, I have a languages array with JavaScript, Python, and HTML. Let's add TypeScript to the beginning of the array. We'll say languages.unshift and then provide here TypeScript just like this. If I console.log languages, you guessed it, of course, we're going to get TypeScript in that first position, node index.js, and of course we get TypeScript right there. So it mutates the array and adds that new item to the beginning of it. Now, if you want to add multiple things at the same time, you can provide a second argument or a basically infinite amount of arguments, right? You can add 3, 4, 5, whatever. Now, this here may not be as well known as just adding a single element, but if I was to say go as an example, so add 2 things, you'll see that it adds it with a chunk. So it takes this chunk here, TypeScript and go, and places it at the beginning of the array. This is as opposed to it adding TypeScript here, then adding go before that. You can see that you get TypeScript and go, as opposed to go and TypeScript. So this here is important to know because it may not give you the expected result. If you want to say, okay, add TypeScript, then add go, you could do something like this. You can use the spread operator, then make this into an array, and then simply reverse the array before you before you unshift to the beginning. So I'll save this, run it again, and now we see we get go first and then TypeScript, and we've added those 2 items to the beginning of the array. And that is all for this video. If this one helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Decode, and here is another video.